I'm excited about More Than Money simply because I've never taught this before. This program has never been run. And what it really is, it's a culmination of everything I've come to know over 16 and a half years of commerce. With a portfolio now that's bulging at 100 million plus, I've learnt some things. And those things I really want you to take away. Those gems are going to really position you in a strong place for 2024. They are specific to the market and where it is right now. This is going to be your opportunity to truly exploit what the masses are not seeing, what they are not picking up. And there is a lot of opportunity, enormous amounts right now, and there's money there at the ready. So my suggestion is plug in. I'm going to send you material. I'm going to send you some preemptive ideas between now and the event starting. My suggestion is plug in, do the work. I look forward to seeing you at More Than Money real soon.